Meaning of fructose.
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 Fructose. Fructose is a simple sugar, also known as fruit sugar, that's naturally found in many fruits, vegetables, and sweeteners such as honey and agave. It has the same chemical formula as glucose but a different structure, making it sweeter and easier to dissolve in water. Fructose is commonly used as a sweetener in processed foods and soft drinks due to its intense sweetness and low cost. However, consuming large amounts of fructose has been linked to health problems such as obesity, diabetes, and high blood pressure. Therefore, moderation is key to maintaining a healthy diet.